Later, before we go out, remember me, may we hang this thing.
Traders, if you've never been with GFT and you're looking to get a challenge with us,
All right, I see you. Good morning. Guys, if you are joining us on YouTube, you are highly welcome. Currently, I believe the people on YouTube can see what is on my screen, and that particular analysis has been validated, and the market is just confirming something very, very important for us right now, and I believe that is what we'll be doing now. Though I've done multiple things today, and it was wonderful. Today is the best day of the month of May. Today is one of the best days because this is just the beginning. Today be the first day in the month of May. The month actually started awesomely, and I thank God for today. I thank God for today. So what next? The next thing that I want us to do now is to reanalyze this particular XAUSD that is on my screen right now. Okay, guys, if you are joining, you are welcome. Please let's double tap on our screen. Let's share the live. Okay, let me connect the mic to this particular TikTok page. Let me connect the TikTok mic. Let's see. All right, guys, I believe you all can hear me now, right? Can you hear me? I'm not mute. I'm not mute. Can you guys hear me now? Guys, can you hear me? What? Guys, can you hear me now? All right, yes. I believe you all can hear me. All right. So what I was saying, for those people who are watching us on YouTube, you will see that particular analysis. Right now, I want us to redo this particular analysis. Let's open our daily chart. Sorry for the people on TikTok, I cannot share my screen on TikTok for their community guidelines sake. So I'll be, though you'll be hearing my voice, and somehow I will not be saying everything on microphone, still for guideline, for their community guidelines sake. You understand? So if you open your daily chart, Shebun, I know what happened for China yesterday, a bit today, earlier today, something actually happened in China, and according to the news that we are getting right now, it is a plus from the United States. And let me say this clearly right now: no matter what you are trading as a full-time forex trader these days, make sure you are always familiar, or you are always aware of what is happening in the United States, which is the economy that you are trading. And this period, I made a video, I think last 2 weeks ago, where I was trying to make an awareness to my people about the ongoing tariff war between the US and China. The tariff war between the US and China is something that every forex trader must always make sure to look up to, you understand? Because no, it's not ordinary, and it's something that will always play out from your chart. If you are trading, especially the major pairs, you will always see it play out on your chart. So I advise you as a day trader, especially those of us that are full-time traders, make sure you are always up to date about the happenings in the United States and generally the economy that you are trading. You understand? So yesterday night, according to the tariff war that we have, you know, sometimes last 3 weeks gold has been flying in an unusual manner, but for the past 1 week now, since last week, it has been dropping drastically, which is a sign of the economy is somehow getting balanced by what Donald Trump is doing. But nevertheless, we still need to understand what the market is doing technically. Then we merge it up with the fundamentals. We can use that to execute anything at all. Remember, this market is either it is bullish or it's bearish. So guys, if you are joining from TikTok, please do well to double tap on your screen so that we can stay long on this TikTok live. Do well to double tap on your screen for me, guys. On TikTok, please do well to double tap on your screen. I'll be dropping what we'll be doing now in no time. I will tell you guys what we are going to be doing. If it's going to be a bearish trade, I will drop it here. If it's going to be a bullish one, I will also say it here. Okay, guys, please let's double tap on our screen. Let's double tap. Let's share the live. Now first of all let's start this analysis afresh again from the daily time frame. If you open your daily time frame, I was showing this to I think this guy, some person that were in my office on Monday. We have something called an inverted hammer that formed last week Tuesday. We have an inverted hammer that formed last week Tuesday after the all-time high. After the all-time high, like gold has never gone into that particular resistance before. It has never gone into that particular structure before. You understand? So after that particular all-time high, it formed an inverted hammer. And mind you, this particular inverted hammer, if you're a trader here on TikTok, on YouTube, what do you understand by inverted hammer? Guys, what do you understand by inverted hammer? I want to see the people on YouTube, sorry. Guys, what do you understand by inverted hammer? How can you say you are not hearing me now? Today I just do this particular thing now. I'm coming. All right, guys, can you hear me now? All right, so now I was trying to explain something. I said that people here on TikTok and YouTube, please, if you understand the formation of the bearish inverted hammer, that inverted hammer that we have on the daily time frame, can somebody explain for us? We have a particular information on the on daily time frame, and that particular information formed on Tuesday last week. That information formed on Tuesday last week. So if you understand the information, kindly drop it on the comment section. Then if you don't understand, also drop it so that I will know that you guys are following. Then I will know how to explain it to you. Now, why am I saying this? Remember, I keep saying this, when as a forex trader, before you execute anything, you must first of all make sure you understand the information behind what you are trading. We don't trade with assumption. Rather, we trade with, though we are speculators in the market, but we make sure we speculate with the right information, technically and fundamentally. Guys, I believe you guys can still hear me on TikTok. Please, anytime you guys are not hearing me, maybe my microphone got disconnected, always make sure to unmute yourself and confirm. Always make sure to unmute yourself and confirm so that you can be on the same page. So on the daily chart, we have a particular pattern which is called inverted hammer. Let's mark it. After the market fall all-time high, there was a time it got to 3.4, around 3.5, then it was rejected and it closed as an inverted hammer. Now, you see that the people that are watching from YouTube, I just mark out the support zone where today candle is currently penetrating. If you are seeing us from YouTube, you will see that I just mark out a support zone, and that support zone is where the market is currently penetrating. So what we'll be looking at for now is this drop, this particular bearish movement, is it going to continue, or we should look out for a bullish move? Guys, if you are joining from TikTok, you're welcome. Please make sure you double tap on your screen, guys. Double tap on your screen for me. TikTok, double tap on your screen and share the live. I believe you people can still hear me. Guys, let's double tap on our screen. Let's share the live on TikTok. Let's double tap. Let's share the live, guys. So if you mark your trend line properly, you will see that actually the market is a bullish trend. I'm talking about the daily chart. The market is a bullish trend. It has not reversed to bearish trend yet, but we have a reversal pattern on the daily time frame called inverted hammer. And the market has already broken, is currently penetrating a particular support zone. So we will want to trade today. What will we can do? We are going to check it from the lower time frame, like the 30 minutes. You already see that, yes, the daily they already penetrated that particular support zone. So from 30 minutes, let's see if now so it will take continue the down when they go, and be make we look for one or two bearish move for the moment. You understand? A bullish move at the moment. Now, on our 1 hour, I actually analyzed something earlier, and I said the market just violated that particular analysis. Now, if you open your 1 hour time frame, if you open your 1 hour chart, you will see a particular structure where the market broke below a particular strong support zone. And you see, immediately after that support zone, for those of us that trade SMC, we have something called fair value gap there. You understand? We have a fair value gap there. And we all know that price will always find a way to correct that particular fair value gap before the continuation of the direction of the market. You understand? But make sure you understand this. On a daily chart, we have inverted hammer, right? Then from the 4 hours time frame, we are currently seeing something like head and shoulder pattern. I'm not sure whether on the same. How many of us did on YouTube? If you are following us on YouTube, please drop a comment on YouTube. Let me see. Now, if you open your 4 hours chart, you will see a clear head and shoulder pattern. Let me show you guys here. You see a clear head and shoulder pattern. It's a reversal pattern that takes price down. And if you watch closely, the market also has violated the neckline. I mean, it has broken below the neckline. Meanwhile, as price don't break below the neckline, so what do we expect? A pull back to the neckline, then continuation of the bearish direction. a pull back to the neckline, then a continuation of the bearish move. I'm saying that if you are with your chart, if you are with your laptop or your phone, open this same time frame that I'm talking about. That is the only time you will understand what I'm saying. Guys, open the same time frame that I am in right now for better understanding. Trading. Somebody just asked, he said, is there news today? Now, as a day trader, as a full-time trader, make me no carry that one put for body. Well, let's always make sure before you execute your first trade for the day, it is always wise to check if high impact news day or not, and make sure you check, confirm the time where the news day, because see, you see those small mistakes now they bring many traders down. So those small mistakes, those small failure to do the right thing at the right time, because you fit dey inside trade now based on say you no know say news dey, e go just fire and e go carry you go where you no know. Meanwhile, abebe you know say news be dey, you for dey caution, you for know how to follow the market late. Because let me say this, we all know that during news, especially here in this community, during news, we trade news as news. We know they trade news as price action traders or SMC traders, ICP traders. No, we trade news as news because news is just an event that is always released once in a while. It's just an event that is always released once in a while, because sometimes you will see the news may likely take the market out of structure, and later on it will reverse back to the original direction. So that is why you need to learn how to analyze your news. Fundamental analysis is very important, and you cannot do well in the forex market if you don't know anything about the fundamentals aspect of the market. And the same thing, you can still not do well if you don't understand the technical aspect of the market, because those two work together. But many beginner traders always focus on their strategy, they always focus on the chart, they always focus on the candlesticks. So most of the time, no be the candlestick, no be really matter, you understand? So for my brother Ayo, news day, you understand, we get news by 3 o'clock and high impact news. We have a news by 3 o'clock and high impact news, manufacturing PMI. Understand? If you want to see if the news plenty, you can always check it from my FS book. My FS book will always break it down for you. Guys, how many of us we don't put the chart? You get what I will explain on the 4-hour chart on the same pair that we are in. It gets what I will explain on the 4-hour time frame on this the same pair where we did. So if you check my FS book, no be one news day, but Forex Factory will show you say na one news day. But my FS book no be one news. So my FS book is showing me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different high impact news. And in the next 21 minutes, news day. And I am not seeing it on Forex Factory. You see? Okay, Forex Factory, unemployment claims day. It show for Forex Factory. Unemployment claims show for Forex Factory, which is by 1:30. You understand? By 1:30, we have unemployment claims. Let's quickly take a look at this particular news. Guys, unemployment claims by 130. I'm going short. Let me drop it on the community. Yeah, if you're I see you. Good afternoon. Guys, like I said, we are going short in the next 7 minutes. We are going short. So let me quickly drop it on the community. Yes, I've dropped it. Then it's happening in the next 2 minutes 59 seconds. Let's wait. Let's see what happens. How many of us are executing the trade? How many of us they take out? How many of us they take out? Guys, I've dropped the signal. You can go check out our Telegram community. I mean our free signal group, our free Telegram community. I just dropped it there. For those of us that wants to partake in this trade, um, we are going short. We are going short. Guys, how many of us executed the trade? Goldie Prosper, did you executed the trade? Abdul FX, did you executed the trade? On XAUUSD, did you executed the trade? We are going short on this trade. The unemployment claims is just 2 seconds away, 30 seconds from now. The news will be released. Let's watch and see. Release them now. It's still on pending. Negative. The news is negative. The news is not even strong. But they put the news as iPad. We did the trade. We did the trade. It just pick us. It just pick us. Just pick us from where that pending order did. As it just trigger and parent, make it just be go down like that. It just go that side. It just pick am. For those of us now, if you check, now that exactly that number, it just come there, pick us from the entry. It's going down now. The news is not that strong, but you go see user go down. You go see user make something here. Let's see. Don't over leverage. Don't over leverage. Just keep it simple. As you don't already execute the trade, let her run. You don't need to fear am. You understand? Put your SL according to what I sent to the group. Put your TP, put your SL. Come on your mind. Now one thing go happen. It's either I go up or I come down. Another thing no do. No need to be emotionally attached to the trade. No need to be emotionally attached to the trade. Guys, please let's double tap on our screen. And if you are here on TikTok, please help me double tap on your screen and share the live. Let's support the live. Let's double tap, guys. Let's double tap. Let's share the live, guys. Guys, please let's double tap on our screen. Let's double tap on our screen, guys. We are still in the trade. The people on TikTok, please let's double tap. If you are here on YouTube, please help share the live on YouTube. Please share the live to your friends, share to your community on YouTube. Guys, let's double tap on our screen.